Hi guys! So, unboxing ko to. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa laman niya. What is inside of this? Wala akong gunting. Kakalat na ako dito sa kwarto ko. Wait lang, stop mo na yung video. Okay, on na.
Iba yung experience, iba yung corporate entity. Yung corporate entity is 2015 nandyan na siya. Pero sinasabi nyo, walang nangyayari. Walang nangyayari. Ginagamit nyo since 20...
Break both sides, but I
Yes,
could...
yung pumapasok yun yung income, in other words. Yan yung ginagamit ng mga projects.
Ayusin to ni Papa ko.
Ganyan ba ko ang interpretation? Dalawang entity, yung sole proprietor at yung
I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, trying to break both sides, but I couldn't find my own way. Dapat na pala matapos yung video, 30 minutes to eh. Or,
kahit sino po ang maging presidente, when it comes to infrastructure, especially dapat po tuloy-tuloy. Tulad po ng
end natin yung video ngayon. Okay, bye-bye guys. See you